Hi, today I'm going to be sharing with you my secrets on how you can create stunning images with a beautiful blurred out or bokeh background, so let's get started. Bokeh refers to out of focus areas in your photo, and it also gives a beautiful dreamy look. So how do you achieve this? To achieve the best bokeh, you want to use a lens with a low f number, such as 1.8, 1.2 or 2.8. And the wider the aperture, the more bokeh you will get. Next, it's all about aperture. Aperture controls how much light comes into the camera, and it affects the depth of field of the image. And the wider the aperture, the more bokeh you will get. Finally, it's all about distance. So the closer the subject or the person is to the camera, the more blurry the background will be. So get creative and try different distances and camera angles and see how that turns out for you. And that's everything I wanted to share with you today. Just follow these simple tips and you'll be creating images with beautiful, blurry, dreamy backgrounds in no time. If you have any queries about the advice I shared with you today, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer you. And don't forget to subscribe and like for new photography tips and tricks every week. So go out there and capture your world in a whole new way with these few tips you've learned today.